from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Henrico's strong financial status reaffirmed. We'll tell you about that story and others in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, March 7th, 2024, and it's brought to you today by Speech Connections.
And now for the news.
Henrico County's AAA bond ratings have been reaffirmed by the three major rating services, Moody's, Fitch, and S&P Global. All three reviewed the county's finances and visited Henrico in February ahead of a planned sale later this month of $121.4 million in general obligation bonds by the county, a sale that will fund the package of capital improvement projects. AAA ratings are the best possible and save the county millions of dollars when it sells bonds. The Board of Supervisors authorized the upcoming sale back in January. It will fund $86 million worth of school projects, including the new Environmental Education Center at Wilton Farm in Verina and new school buildings for Jackson Davis, Longin, and Quioccasin, as well as $13.3 million for a new fire station in Eastover Gardens, $17.7 million for an access road to serve the planned Three Chopped Area Park and Henrico Pet Adoption Center in Short Pump, as well as improvements to Tuckahoe Creek and Tuckahoe Parks, $2.5 million for drainage improvements countywide, and $1.9 million for the widening of the Richmond-Henrico Turnpike, a project that is already underway. Henrico County Public Schools will host 3 job fairs this month to fill a variety of positions. The school system will host a March 12th job fair from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the school system's Parham Road office at 1910 East Parham, an educator job fair and interview day on March 20th from 5 to 8 p.m. at Highland Springs High School, and a school nutrition services job fair March 25th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at 10600 Gayton Road. You can learn more by visiting henricoschools.us/o/hcps/page/careers, or by calling 804-652-3664 or visiting our website and looking for this article. Sheetz is offering a 25-cent per gallon discount on diesel fuel now through the end of the month, part of its truck diesel price rollback event. It's valid at any Sheetz that has a truck stop, including the one in Sanston on Airport Drive. To claim the discount, truck drivers must swipe their My Sheetz rewards cards when fueling up. Virginia inmates may now be shielded from arrest or disciplinary actions related to alcohol, controlled substances, or marijuana if they seek or report emergency medical attention for an overdose. That's thanks to a new bipartisan bill that passed the Virginia General Assembly. House Bill 161 passed the House and Senate on February 27th and was sent to Governor Glenn Youngkin for his approval. It passed in the House by a 63-34 margin, but in the Senate by a more narrow 21-18 margin. It's an extension of the Safe Harbor Law, which protects people who seek or obtain overdose emergency medical attention from prosecution. The Virginia Sheriff's Association, however, has concerns about the bill, saying that it could remove the incentive to comply with the law, as threatening punishment for noncompliance encourages inmates to talk. You can read much more about the bill right now on our website from our partners at the Capitol News Service. 12 dogs are available for adoption at the Henrico Animal Shelter, and this week in our latest edition of Henrico Fur Finder, we introduce you to each one of them. If you're interested in taking a visit to the shelter, you can make an appointment. It's open Monday through Saturday by appointment only from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. You can call 804-727-8807 to make that appointment. Visit our website, henricocitizen.com, to take a look at these animals. Speech Connections offers pediatric speech therapy services at their office in Henrico, in daycares, preschools, private schools, public schools, and via teletherapy. Their dynamic team provides individualized and family-centered speech therapy services for toddlers, preschoolers, school-age children, and adolescents. When you work with Speech Connections, you get a team that is ready to provide the highest standard of care while collaborating with families and other professionals. To learn more, visit speechconnections.net or call 804-672-8588.